Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are continuing to the next video here for Python tutorial. The series is continuous going on for the providing the best concept of the all the things. So next is slicing string in the Python. So all in all of Python. Slicing string in Python will make it properly to understand each and every concept. So we are taking the value here as the variable is x, and the same way we are providing you the value here inside x is double noted comma means string hello world, and we're printing the value of x. That we have done multiple times. It's very easy. We can print the value of this string, but the main thing is here after putting this we can get easily the value whatever we mention inside the double noted comma will print the same value. So next concept is here slicing string. Slicing string means how we can play with the part of the string. We can start from where until where. So we are providing inside the variable ex inside print. We're providing inside the starting value and ending value of the string. We are going to put the starting value is 3 is 2, ending value is we are going to put 8, means it will start from 3 and last value will be the 8. So it's like we can see the hello world and this particular variable is string, so it will always start from 0 1 2 3, means h will be gone 0, e will be the 1, l will be the 2, and l and second l will be the third. So from third l o will start it, and from there till 8 at the value at the index it will be the int. So once we'll print it, then we can see we are getting low LOW, means this much we are getting the output here. It means print from this to this. After we are putting the starting value 1, then it will start from E only, and LOW this much only will mention here. So starting value and end value, it means a lot that we are going to do the things exactly. That if you are not getting the concept, please let me know on the comment section, whether on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or even also on the Twitter. We'll give you the best support. Yeah. Coming to the next, we are providing the next will like first value will not never mention, so that will always start from very first, and the last value will be last value. Last value mention here 10, so it will start from 1 means 0, it will go to the end 10. So as we can see, hello world d is missing, and the 3 expression symbol is missing because we have taken till 10 only, and it's more than that. That is the reason it is not in the inside it, but it is started from the beginning in ch, as we have not mentioned the starting value. That is the reason we are getting from starting each and every value here. And going to the next concept for this string only, if as we can see hello world like 0 to 10 means 0 to 9, it will be the 10 value. So 10th location, so we get the hello WRL, and we are putting the till 12, then we are getting hello world, because as we counted from 0 to 11 we got it hello world. This all word will come inside 0 to 12. So we got the same value from 0. We have, because we have not mentioned the starting value and end value, we have mentioned 12. So it has followed from 0 to 12. That is the reason we got the hello world. And the next concept, print inside double inverted comma is not there. We are putting the same ax inside. Now big braces inside we have mentioned 2 is to nothing. So nothing means it will go to the end, but the starting is set here. That will start from 2 means 0 means h and 1 means e, 2 means l. So it will start from first L, double L O, W or L D and triple exclamation symbol. So we get the same output as per expected. There is not at all any issues. We can get the concept very easily. We are running the code once more and we are getting the same value double L O and world and that one. Yeah. We will start from 1, then we'll get the from E will start, where we start from 0, then it will start from end to end, means hello world, and then space, then triple exclamation symbol as expected we can see here. So nothing is there as per the requirement. We are providing the concept here. If you are getting any problem, please contact to us on YouTube or Instagram or also on Facebook, even also on the Twitter. So follow me on that, all will be available. Yeah. Coming to the next one, that is the we have mentioned here 0 to end, 5 to end means nothing. So we'll get it from 5 it will start. That is the reason it is started from world and space followed by the triple exclamation symbol. We got this particular output. So again, if you are having any issue that is not understandable, you can contact us, or yes, 2 to 3 times you'll play the same video, you'll get the concept. Nothing is there, it's only try it by you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.